wondered, what do you really want from your life? What do you really want? What do you really want from yourself? What do you really want from this whole world? Have you ever? If not, then after watching this video, you will be clear on what you really want. What is that you want from yourself, for yourself? This is Vardhan Sahu, the co-founder and CEO of ShubhaEMT.com, welcoming you into my channel with a warm and lovely hearts. So, today, if you really want to get clear on what do you really want, then keep watching this video till the end and make sure that you don't skip your focus in any of the part, because this whole video is going to contain a lot of valuable stuffs for you, which is at the end going to make you fulfilled and replenished with a lot of clarity, with a lot of conviction, with which if you are filled, then you'll be able to do whatever you want in your life. Am I clear? Okay, so without any more ado, let's get started with the video. And to have a better clarity on this topic, make sure that you go to the description box and click on the link and get the workbook for you. Okay, as you know that always we keep a workbook or some kind of an assignment for you, so that it will be easier for you to work out on each and every video which we make for you. Okay, so make sure that you go through the workbook and it will surely help you to get much more clarity on what you really want in your life to happen. Okay, so without any more ado, let's get started with the video. This is Vardhan Sahu signing in. Getting clear on what you really want is the first step in the journey of your success, of your accomplishment, of owning whatever you want in your life. Now, whatsoever may be the case, but you should be clear about that what is the end goal you want to own. And when I say about goals, the first step to identify it is visualization. Yes, it's visualization. Yes, you have to visualize that what do you want, where you want to see yourself after a certain amount of years. What would be the date of your achievement? How is it going to be the situation, the condition of you after such and such amount of years? So this is all you need to visualize. Now again, visualization can only happen when you know that what is that particular thing you are striving for. So now let's see that how you can really find that thing which you want to accomplish and achieve in your life. There are some specific and certain methods which will help you to find and understand that what is really what you want. What is that really what you want? And I am damn sure that if you do follow the steps which I am going to give you in this video, then you will quickly get nigh to your goals. Okay? Now the first thing is to write down your desires, aspirations, wants, needs, and everything which you desired from childhood till now. Now I want you to quickly gather your pen and paper and write down, sit in a quiet place, calm and quiet place, alone, without anybody and without any object, even without your mobile phone or cell phone, anything. Just sit alone. Calm yourself down and think of your childhood, what kind of a desire you had, and from then till now, what is that you really want? Try to reminisce each of your moment, bad or good. What kind of a feeling did you had that if I got this, then I could do that. If I had this, then it would be very wonderful for me. If I were this, then I want to become this. If I were this, if I were a pilot, then it would be very great. Or maybe like if you want to become a pilot, maybe if you want to become a teacher, maybe if you want to become a singer, dancer, an artist, anything, okay? Anything, whatever your desire was. If you want to own something, even if you wanted to own something, you want to own a car, you want to own a BMW, Mercedes, anything, whatever it may be, just write it down. Openly just write it down. Just take a paper and a pen, and you yourself should be there. No need of mobile phone, nothing. Just write it down openly. Okay, whatever you just go back to the days of your childhood, reminisce the things and write it down. Yes, Now, when you have written down, after writing, when you read those things, you will find something, you will find some of the things which is irrelevant of now that you wanted that in your childhood, but now it is not necessary. And some of the things are such that you want in your life to happen. It may be a car which you want to own, it may be a vehicle which you want to own, it may be a kind of a home which you desire for yourself, it may be a kind of a position, a prestige which you want to desire for yours, which you had desired for yourself and that you want. It may be a kind of authority which you always wanted for yourself. So whatever it may be, you will find some of the things which are very relevant in your current life situation, and now also you want to accomplish it. When you read out, you will find these things. And now from your list, separate those things which you feel relevant for you, which you feel that those are relevant as of my desires are now and which I want to accomplish now. Separate out those things and write it in a fresh paper. Now after you do this step, now you have written down your goals, you have written down your desires, now you have written down your dreams. After you do this step, the next step for you is to think why you want what you want. Why? Take that paper where you have written the segregated things, read that paper again and again and think after each line you read that why do I want this to happen in my life? Why? Think that why. Now